He don't like banana.
His
my
saging
friend.
looks like a dragon.
Oh,
Yes.
Yeah,
They
it's
want-
Probably
true.
yes.
Yeah, it's
Uh,
true.
it's
They
true.
want to
No. The
Dragon
Monay
fruit.
is. The
Wala.
Monay is such a dragon, like a predator.
Tangina mo.
Oh, you are an alien, brother.
Yes.
Where's your mundo?
Don't speak Tagalog, my friend. We don't understand Tagalog.
Yeah.
Because here in
Because
Pakistan,
we're
My don't speak Tagalog. My nose is bleeding.
oh,
yeah. Your voice is kinda LTO worker.
no, it's like a parrot,
Yeah,
my friend.
I am a law enforcer, my friend. I am future law
Oh, you're Lala
enforcer.
in person. No, I can understand if you're talking about.
Oh.
His voice is like a parrot, my friend, not an enforcer.
I got supplies.
Tangina. So shocking.
Very shocking, my friend.
You're such a stupid. Take this one. I'm gonna take your
Tangina
life
yung
out.
tawa ni Gon.
Sir, you see this in your whole life?
Lab, go here.
Okay, I'm going.
Come here, number.
Gon, come here.
Come here.
No.
Oh,
Wait. I am a professional looter. Please wait me.
yes, this car, my friend parrot. Yes, this.
Gon, always follow me.
Yes.
Friend parrot daw. Friend parrot daw.
Companion mo yan eh. Parrot.
Let's go there, my friend parrot.
Wala ka dyan.
Let's go there, my friend.
Kalapati yan. Oy.
You are a future teacher, my friend. That's what you say.
Oh shit.
Oh,
Oh
oh
shit.
shit.
Okay, oh.
Where's the Scarel, my friend? I will take it.
There, go there.
Okay, I found it, my friend.
Okay, come here.
Okay.
Follow us, guys. Don't be
My
late.
AirPod is dead.
Oh, what
Oh my
happened to your
God.
AirPod, my parrot?
What?
Wait me, parrot, my friend.
Natatawa talaga yung parrot.
Wait me, my parrot, my friend.
Visit ka talaga, Gon.
Manahimik ka.
Parrot pa rin.
Wait me, my parrot friend.
Saan yung car mo?
Companion.
Ano
Here.
yung times 4 dyan?
In English, that is company.
Company.
Am I
Yeah, the company
Companion,
where
company.
you work
You're
from.
so...
Company.
am I wrong?
Company. Company. No, you're so very
Yes.
wrong, pre.
You're very wrong, my
Gon,
friend.
let's go.
Okay,
Don't be late.
I'll follow you.
Okay lang maging apat basta may ano, may tutok.
Good day.
Kasi kung wala,
Okay.
mapapagod ako.
I have a putok.
Later, you guys and more.
I don't have putok, brother.
Your
Putukan
smell
mo na nga
putok.
yan, Gon.
What are you talking, my friend
Your
parrot?
smell putok.
You're bad at talking, my friend. You're not my
Oh, andito
Watch
yung
out.
kalaban.
You're not
Enemy in front.
You're not my companion anymore. You're not good at English, my friend.